I want to show you how the new feature works, the CMA builder. So you can do everything in repros from lead scoring, contact management, property management, transaction management, listings, marketing, operations, reporting, everything you can think of. You can even do onboarding. That's a new feature that we'll get to in another video. But in this, I want to show you how the CMA builder works. So obviously the screen is a little small because of the way I have to hold the phone to do the screen recording, but I want to show you this auto CMA builder, okay? So we're gonna say, I hope that this is a real property address. I probably should have looked this up before I started this. All right, 1234 Main, Nashville, Tennessee. Okay, so let's say it's 3 beds, 2 baths, 2,000 square feet, square feet. Go back. Let's say it's built in 2020, and it has a pool and a garage, and you can put as much information or as little information as you want in here. Generate CMA. You can also do a manual entry. You don't have to do the automatic entry, but it will pull for you your CMAs. It will also give you information on the property. It will give you information on the other properties, what has sold, what has not sold, what's listed, how much it's sold for, what their features are, everything you could need for a CMA. On top of that, when you're done running this scan and it builds your report for you, you can actually take that report, download it as a PDF, and send it to, your client or a lender, appraiser, whoever needs the CMA report. And it probably will take just a second longer. There we go, because I'm on the screen record. So here's your report. All right, you can pull this up. Here's your low, your likely value, your high, your market analysis, your recommendation, and comparable properties. What has sold, what's active, how much they've sold for. You can email it to your client. You can download your branded PDF. You can click on each of these and you can see their details as well. So yeah, that is the CMA that is inside the app.